Hi, my kings and queens. It's a beautiful new day, and it happens to be Sunday. So, on this very day, I decided to give my family a very delicious meal. So, I have two bowl of already washed beans, and I added the same thing to it, which is onion, fresh pepper, garlic, and crayfish. Okay, so I blended them separately because I want to use them for separate thing. So this one is for our beans cake, which is popularly known in Nigerian as akara. So here I added my powdered ginger and garlic. I also added seasoning cube and salt, then stir everything together. Sorry, I also added one egg when I was blending it. I forgot to camera it. I added one egg when I was blending it. So I mixed everything together and place my pot, add oil, allow it to heat. You can see the oil is already heat before I started adding my akara portion by portion. Okay, if you have not had, if you have been frying your akara without ginger and garlic before, try it. You will thank me. Honestly, it makes the taste so delicious. It gives it this beautiful flavor and taste. It tastes so great. So this is how we fried our akara. Allow it to brown. Then we bring it out. You won't believe what happened. You saw the quantity of the beans, and even after blending you saw the quantity. But guess what? Before I finish frying this akara, my family members, they have consumed the akara without waiting for the bread to be ready. It sounds funny, right? That is to tell you that this akara tastes so great. Even the aroma, before I could finish, as I'm bringing it out, as it is hot, akaroko, the way it's hot, they are just diving it from the sieve. They did not even allow it to cool down. They did not even allow bread to be ready. They were just eating the akara. That is to tell you how delicious it was. Okay, I fried the best akara. I mean it, the best. So this is how you can see how many it is. It was much. The akara was many, and it's not that we are that much in the house, but these people finished it. So that is it, my kings and queens. Please, if you have watched this video to this point, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also drop your lovely comments. And for my returning subscribers, I love you, I appreciate you, thank you so much. So this is the quantity of the akara. Just wait and see. So here we want to bake our bread. At this point, everyone in the house is already hungry because this very day I woke up so late due to the stress I undergo Friday and Saturday in the shop. So on Sunday morning, I woke up feeling very tired. I woke up late. In fact, I woke up by I think 10, and they have not eaten breakfast. So I just quickly rushed to the kitchen and said, let me just put one or two together. This was around 12. Was around 12, and at this point they have almost finished the akara that I fried. So I was just doing everything rush so that the bread can be ready, so that they will eat the akara and bread. You can see I have added eggs, milk, and what else did I add? I added butter. I'm supposed to wait that butter. I'm not supposed to add it now. I'm supposed to leave it after adding my yeast before I add butter, but I was in a hurry. They are hungry. I was in a hurry and I don't want them to finish the akara, so I just mix everything. I mixed it like that. The beautiful part is that it still came out so well. Yes, I'm that student in a baking class who does not use measurement. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm that student that doesn't use measurement. I use my head. So here I added sugar. I added sugar. Once my spirit tells me that it's okay, I will stop. Then I added yeast. Then I mixed everything together. I did not even wait. I was in a hurry. Then I started sieving my flour. The reason why I normally sieve my flour, sometimes you will see some particles. When you sieve your flour, you find out that there are some particles in your sieve. So always sieve your flour when baking. Please don't just put it like that. So I sieve my flour, added it, then I do the mixing. I mix and mix. At this point I have to do the to stretch it, mix it very well. I was just in a hurry. I was just trying to be fast so that they will eat. Okay, I was just trying to be fast, so I have to pour some flour on my table so that I can mix it very well. So here my bowl, I'm trying to rub oil on it. Then here is my what is it called, I covered it, I added some oil on top, covered it. Back to my akara. I'm frying the second akara like this, so they have finished that one. I think few pieces is remaining. Pieces was remaining. I can see that this texture was somehow lighter than the other one. See what was remaining from the one I fried before, so I have to take some from the one I set aside to use for something else. So I have to take little from it and fry more akara so that when our bread is ready, they can eat the akara and bread, because that was my intention and I don't want anybody to spoil it for me. So I have to refry akara. I'm happy that my family loves it. They enjoy every bit of it. And here is my bread. I was not able to mold it very well, so I just have to put it in my pan like that, and my bread is ready. You can see the other side they have cut from me. Immediately I brought it out, somebody quickly cut from the bread. Yes, this is the end result. I was able to make bread and akara from the scratch. I'm so proud of myself. That was exactly what I was saying. I was so proud of myself. I am so excited, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I just keep on trying and I'm improving. Look at how yummy our bread looks, and it's so delicious. My love, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can see how I've started serving them. This one finished eating more. It bring the plate. I need more akara and bread, and I have no option. That is my job. It gives me joy to see my family enjoy my meal. It gave me so much joy and excitement. I feel happy. I feel uh grateful. So guys, thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.